Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Dropped all my gear off down the street. Parked my car. Train rolling by. That's the end of it. Wonder why they got rid of cabooses. Was cabooses always manned by a person? If so, that's probably exactly why they got rid of them. Just made it to the claim. November 24th, Friday. It's probably, I don't know. Probably 30, 35 degrees already. Skies look beautiful. There's sandy bar on the other side over there. I'm not sure where I'm gonna set up today and punch holes at. I've only got hip waders, so I'm limited. You guys probably couldn't even see my breath. That's what I was showing you, my breath in the cold. Looks like I was smoking. Most times I don't smoke while dredging in the wintertime. There's this shit's nipples. What is that over there? A sign? I see a piece of someone's roof or something over there. It's a piece of tin roof. Yeah. I'm gonna get this shit put together and we'll make some holes, y'all. Have to bust the ice out of all my little cells. They pop out real easy. You just tap it on the bottom, they shoot right out. Unless it's probably -20, then you're gonna probably break your mat. Alright, y'all, have a good day. I'll see you first cleanup. Peace.